Hello, everyone. I just wanted to come up here and give some clarification about your specific heat lab, which was Unit 8, Lesson 4. A lot of people didn't understand that you were trying to figure out which metal would be the best to use to heat up something. So, in a pot or a pan, such as this piece of corn here. Now, and also to wonder, specific heat is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature 1 degree. The least amount of specific heat, or the lower the specific heat, that means that it doesn't require that much energy to raise the temperature. So you want to have the least amount of energy. Just like when you go to the beach and it's hot outside, the sand is hotter than the water, and it's the same amount of heat that is acting on both substances, but because the water has a high specific heat, it doesn't heat up as much. So you will want to use a substance that has a low specific heat, which will use less energy. And so not only are you trying to figure out which substance would have the lowest specific heat, but also which one is less toxic. So make sure you keep that in mind when completing that.